Let's learn together.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let's proceed how to use polygon on your sketch. Okay, first thing, in the parameter box, we can specify the number of sides. Next option is we can specify the inscribe or circumscribe circle. Inscribe circle means polygon is created inside the circle. A circumscribe circle means polygon is created outside of the circle. Also here, you can also set the diameter of the polygon. This is X and Y axis position of the polygon. Okay, this is the angle of the polygon. Okay, let's go for the example. Okay, for the first clip is the center of the polygon. Okay, for the second clip, you can set the angle of the polygon. For example, 90 degree. Okay, at the parameter box, you can increase or decrease the number of sides. For example, I set the 5 sides of the polygon. Okay, this is the inscribed circle pattern. Okay, you can see this. Okay, the another one is a circumscribed circle pattern. Okay, you can also change the angle of the polygon. Okay, this is the diameter of the polygon. Okay, I change to 5. Okay, now I want to be a polygon horizontal at the X axis. That's all how to use polygon on your sketch.